Read or listen to all of the headlines in one place. Excerpts from the DroneLife Drone News of the week ending May 5, 2023. Click on the titles below for the full story. AUVSI Hill Day 2023, an inside view of the policies, priorities, and problems under discussion, DroneLife exclusive. AUVSI recently hosted their annual Hill Day, an opportunity for drone industry stakeholders to gather and meet policymakers, face-to-face. In this DroneLife exclusive, one attendee summary and takeaways. Our technology is pretty good, our will to do good is even greater, but without the support of regulators and lawmakers, it cannot live up to its full potential. It is for that reason that I put on a suit, something I typically reserve for funerals and weddings, and joined an incredible team of like-minded drone pioneers to spend the day in the halls of Congress, talking with lawmakers about what's working and what needs attention in our industry. AUVSI on the Drone Radio Show podcast, robotics platforms for painting, coding, cleaning and more. Robert Dahlstrom, CEO and founder of AUVSI, talks about how companies' revolutionary drones are making it safer and more efficient to complete hazardous jobs, including painting and coding, pressure cleaning, and non-destructive testing. Demonstrating the commercial and scientific potential of drone show technology on the secret of Skinwalker Ranch. Drone show provider Sky Elements Drone Shows has completed a unique scientific experiment with the use of SPH Engineering's Drone Light Show technologies. The Drone Light Show is part of an episode of The Secret of Skinwalker Ranch, a TV series exploring the mysteries of a location with an extensive history of unexplained phenomena, such as UFO sightings, crop circles, and unexplained animal mutilations. The show's team of scientists and experts utilize leading technology, such as drones, to study and investigate these occurrences. Drone Shield at the Ironman, protecting athletic events from rogue drones. Counter-UAS company Drone Shield has announced that after commissioning a follow-on order, the Montgomery County Office of Homeland Security and Emergency Management, (MCOSM), has deployed Drone Shield's Drone Sentry system for the Ironman Triathlon Championships 2023 for the second year in a row. The high-profile event was held earlier this month in Woodlands, Texas, drawing athletes and spectators from across the globe. Increased drone activity in recent years necessitated the use of counter-drone measures in order to ensure the safety and security of the event. A big win for drone delivery in Florida. New legislation will smooth the way for drone ports. Last Thursday, April 27, lawmakers in the Florida House voted unanimously to pass SB 1068, designed to ease the way for drone delivery in Florida. SB 1068 is an addendum to Florida's Unmanned Aircraft Systems Act and is designed to preempt local regulations regarding the development of drone delivery ports, infrastructure critical to operating drone delivery services at scale. Drone delivery ports such as those proposed by Walmart for their residential delivery services are not large structures, but a lack of definition, standards, and understanding about drone delivery infrastructure can lead to lengthy approval processes in some communities. Enforce Air Counter-Drone Software Upgrade, new remote ID, detection, identification, and mitigation capabilities. Today, Counter-UAS technology leader Defend Solutions announced the release of version 23.03 of its Enforce Air software. The upgrade introduces a host of new features, such as enhanced core drone takeover capabilities and coverage, enhanced remote ID functionality, new reporting and analysis features, and upgraded information sharing for the Sapient CUAS standard. U.S. Drone manufacturer Inspired Flight integrates Phase 1 P3 camera for survey and inspection. Commercial SUAS manufacturer Inspired Flight Technologies and aerial photography system developer Phase 1 have announced the launch of a new plug-and-play solution which integrates the Inspired Flight IF-1200A and the Phase 1 P3 camera. The solution brings together advanced aerial imaging and flexible operations to serve a broad range of surveying and inspection applications. A2Z launches the RDSX Pelican long-distance delivery drone. Commercial drone delivery solutions developer A2Z Drone Delivery has released its new RDSX Pelican delivery drone. The RDSX Pelican features a hybrid VTOL airframe without control surfaces, combining the stability of a multi-rotor platform with the long range of a fixed-wing craft. The new drone will be displayed for the first time at AUVSI Exponential in Denver, Colorado from May 9th to 11th. Arkansas bans Chinese drones, gives agencies 4 years to phase out foreign tech. Arkansas has followed Florida in a ban on Chinese drones, but Arkansas lawmakers have taken a realistic approach to phasing out technology manufactured by a covered entity. This bill has no impact on commercial or civil operations in the state and is applicable only to public agencies. Arkansas House Bill 1653, now Act 525, prohibits the purchase or operation of drones manufactured in China or other covered entity countries. The act is similar to a recently passed Florida bill, but differs in significant ways that make the act more manageable for public safety agencies. Headed to Exponential next week? Some of the can't-miss events in tech. Headed to Exponential 2023 in Denver next week? It's a big show with lots to see. Here are some of our favorite events and a list of great tech to visit on the floor. Please support our friends and sponsors by learning more about the innovative solutions they have to offer. Smaller, smarter, and safer, Model AI VOXL2 Mini is a supercomputer the size of an Oreo. Until just a few days ago, Model AI's VOXL2 was the world's smallest flying supercomputer. The San Diego, California-based company just outdid itself with its newest release, the VOXL2 Mini. Here's how this latest Blue UAS framework-compatible assembled in the USA autopilot stacks up and infuses an impressive amount of computing power in the industry's smallest sized form factor to date. Medical drone delivery pioneer Zipline valuation rises to $4.2 billion. As reported by Forbes, drone delivery startup Zipline is currently raising $330 million in a new funding round. A filing in Delaware on April 10 revealed the Series F funding round, which priced Zipline at $40.20 per share. This funding values the company at roughly $4.2 billion, approximately a 55% increase over its $2.7 billion valuation from 2 years prior. Also detailed in the filing was a Series F1 extension of up to $20 million, which could still be rolled into the round, potentially changing the exact total raised. A lead investor has yet to be identified. A new affordable, NDAA-compliant small drone from Japan, the ACSL Soten enters U.S. market. Leading Japanese drone maker ACSL Ltd. has announced its official entrance into the U.S. commercial drone market. The company's California subsidiary, ACSL Incorporated, will be introducing an affordable NDAA-compliant small UAS to the U.S. market later this year. ACSL Incorporated's market entrance will be led by CEO Cynthia Huang, a member of the Commercial UAV Advisory Board who previously led DJI's North American enterprise segment as well as drone software company Auterion. Wireless charging and data transfer for drones, Wybotics PowerPad Pro. Today, charging and power optimization company Wybotic introduced PowerPad Pro, a standalone platform capable of integrating into any UAV storage facility. The platform automatically charges drones without physical connection points, all while wirelessly transferring flight data, images, and video. PowerPad Pro enhances drone functionality for our partners working in environments where autonomous or semi-autonomous operations are a priority, said Wybotic CEO and co-founder Ben Waters.